Agad, kaliwang puhot mo, pasok mo. Puhot, pasok.
And for over 20.5 kilograms levy, silver medal goes to Grace Mansaya of Marcos Escobar Research Malaysia and Eugene Kim of Machado Korea. Silver medal goes to Marco Charelli of Atos, Grips Atos, and gold goes to Annie Ramirez of John Bailon Club de Jiu-Jitsu.
Calling Marco Showa, Vince Ortiz. Next match for bout number 3. Marco Showa and Vince Ortiz. Please proceed to bout number 2.
Calling on Miguel Yap and Bobby Onadera, mat number 2 please.
Also for bout number 3, Luigi Torres and Frederick Bendio. Please proceed to bout number 3.
Fix your base. There you go. Position now, slowly. Wala yan, wala yan.
And now for the winners of the Masters White Belt under 79 kilograms levy. Bronze medals go to Dennis Paraida of Fabrizio and Francois Labrus of Creation Singapore. Silver medal goes to Kim Chung of Fabrizio Korea and gold goes to Zoe Tercio of People MMA Singapore. Calling on Miguel Yap, mat number 2 and Bobby Onadera, mat number 2. Calling John Paul Ruiz and Richard Camacho, mat number 1 now please. Calling on Kurt Emerita and Murat Inasiri, mat number 4 please. For under 89 kilograms manual, silver medal goes to Joseph Leon Guerrero of Carlson Gracie Walk and Martin Toledo of Deptap. Again, calling on Miguel Yap and Bobby Onadera, mat number 2. For Masters Blue Belt, for Masters Blue Belt under 79 kilograms levy, bronze medals go to Hideaki of Epic MMA and Motoyuki Nogami of MMA Singapore. Next match on mat number 1. Competitors for the mixed male battles from the division under 80 kilograms, Don Rosario and Crazy Bat. Silver medal goes to Neil and goes to Steven Salazar of Fabricio. Calling on Ryan Howard